going on YouTube? It's your big homie Leonard coming back again with another video, man. And today we finna take a look at the Air Jordan 6 Midnight Navy Blue. Now for all my first timers, man, make sure you smash the like button for your boy. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want any tips, advice, or reviews on anything sneaker related. Also, don't forget to follow me on IG at big_Leonard, that's LNRD. The link will be in the description below. Now, for all my returning subscribers, man, I want to welcome y'all back, and you already know how I like to do it. I don't like to take so much of y'all time, so let's go ahead and dive inside this video. Now, before we dive deep into the video, man, I got a package that came into the mail, man. I've been waiting for this package for 3 months, man. Let's go ahead and dive into it before we actually get into the shoe. Now, like I said, man, I've been waiting on this thing for 3 months. 3 months. Let's see what it is. Let's see what it is, people. Oh, the quality of this thing is amazing. Boom! The Yeezy Gap merch, man, with the dove in the back. Engineered by Balenciagas, man. You already know, man. I dropped a heavy $150 on this shirt, man. And I swear to y'all, man, it feels like $150 worth of material, man. This shirt is fire. Very, very oversized. I got this shirt in a large. Yeah, I got this shirt in a large, and it looked like a double XL, man. But anyway, man, yeah, man. Woo! If you know me, man, y'all already know, man, I'm a big Yeezy fan, man. Anything Yeezy, I'm with it, man. I want to support my boy in this thing, man. Making things happen, man. My boy have let Gap and Balenciaga, man, collab with something, man. That is amazing, bro. You don't find too many people that can do that. But anyway, y'all here for the shoe, man. So let's go ahead and talk about it. The Air Jordan 6 Midnight Navy Blue right now is set to release May the 11th for a retail price of $190. Now, for those who don't know, man, this shoe actually released back in 2000 for the first time, man. I don't have that shoe to compare it to, so I can't tell you how close the navy blues are or the quality, so we're just gonna have to stick with the 2022 pair. Now, I do have the reputation on YouTube for not liking no Jordans, man, and I can say all that's gonna change today because I really do like this pair. But, it's only one issue I have with this shoe, man. I'm gonna talk about that later on in this video. Now, for all my sneaker resellers out there, man, all my get money players, all my sneaker flippers out there, man, let's go ahead and talk about the aftermarket. Right now, man, I see this shoe hovering around $320, man. Expect this shoe to actually drop when it released. We already know that, man. Me personally, man, I will be selling this shoe for around $320, man. I don't care what StockX say. That's just me and my price, man. I know what comes with me and my pricing, man. So if you're looking for this shoe, man, make sure you tap in on my IG. Once again, at big_Leonard, that's LNRD, man. I will have some sizes available. Now, looking at the quality of this shoe, man, I can tell y'all, man, this leather is amazing. Seriously, this is some good leather to be on the Jordan 6, man. Now, pushing my finger on the toe box, man, as you can see on the close-up vision, man, this leather is soft to the touch, man. One thing I'm also happy about, man, you don't see no brush strokes in the paint, no glue stains in this shoe, man. It looked like they actually took their time with this shoe. I think there's no need to actually do a deep, in-depth review of this shoe, man. As you can see, basically the whole shoe is white and navy. Now, looking at the box, man, you do get an Air Jordan 6 box that come in navy in the cement color, man, and the colorway reads white and midnight navy. Now, like I said, this is a clean shoe, man. The only thing I don't like about this shoe is the white sock liner, man. I don't like white sock liners because how easy it get dirty. I know, keep your legs washed, man. Wear clean socks, but still, man, it's finna be summertime, man. Your leg will sweat. It will get dirty on the edges, man. That's something that's really a pet peeve of mine, along with creases, man. I really don't like dirty sock liners, man. I just don't like that. It looks terrible to me, man. But other than that, man, this is a clean shoe, man. I would highly, highly recommend y'all to get y'all hands on this pair, man, especially for the summertime. Now, to contradict myself, man, I would not be keeping this in my collection, man. Air Jordan 6s is not really comfortable to me. That's just me personally, man. I think it's the way I walk. I'm not sure, man. It's just not a comfortable shoe to me. I only have 2 Air Jordan 6 in my collection as of right now, and both on the Travis Scott. I know what y'all finna say.
Hi, beast.
But I had more Jordan 6s, man, but I actually let them go, man, because right now I'm only keeping things in my collection that I will actually wear and the things that are actually comfortable to me, man. So I won't be keeping these to collection, man, but I do highly, highly recommend y'all get y'all hands on this pair, especially if you hit for retail. Now, I took a look in the box, man. I do not see any extra laces on the midnight navy blue, man. So if you do get some extra laces on your pair, you already know them things is full. Go get your money back, family. Go get your money back. But yeah, man, anyway, Air Jordan 6, midnight navy blue, man. Clean, clean, clean shoe, man. Like I said, I would not be keeping it in my collection. But if I do hit on retail, man, I might consider it, man. I might hold it in my closet for like 2 weeks. See how I feel about it, man. If I still have the same feeling I do now, I will be releasing mine. But if I don't hit for retail, I won't be crying about it, man. But it is a clean shoe. Trust me, it is a clean shoe. I highly recommend y'all to cop, especially if y'all get for retail, man. Clean shoe for the summertime. But that wraps up my video for today, man. If you plan on copying this shoe, smash the like button for your boy, man. Please drop a comment, man, telling me your thoughts and opinion of this shoe, man. I'm very curious to see how y'all feel about this shoe. Like I said, I do think this is a clean shoe, man. And oh yeah, don't forget to follow me on IG at BigHomie_Leonard. That's LNRD. The link will be in the description below to my IG, man. And until next time, I'm out of here.